Hello children. In this video, let's see how to draw a cute house building. First, let us start to draw the house. This will be a very big house. Let's divide it into two sections. I am drawing the door and this will be a room. Let's draw the window. This house has a very big window. Now let's draw the top floor. It has a cute room in the top floor. Let's draw the windows. And it has a cute balcony. Let's draw the balcony. It has two big trees. Let's draw the trees. Now I'm going to use this marker to make it more visible. Great. Now it is coloring time. This is red color. We are going to color the house with rainbow colors. This is red color. This is light green color. What is the next color? Yes, it is light blue color for the windows. We have 3 windows in this house. 1 at the bottom and 2 in the top floor. This is yellow color. Yellow color for the window handle.
The farmer takes the wife. The farmer takes the wife. Hi ho the dairy-o. The farmer takes the wife. The wife takes the child. The wife takes the child. Hi ho
the next color is pink color. This is baby pink color.
Hi ho the dairy-o. The child takes the nurse.
This is orange color. Let's color the ground floor with orange color.
The cow takes the dog. The cow takes the dog. Hi ho the dairy-o. The cow takes the dog.
This house looks so beautiful.
The dog takes the cat. Hi ho the dairy-o.
Yellow color for the door.
The cat takes the mouse. The cat takes the mouse. Hi ho the dairy-o. The cat takes the mouse.
Red color for the doorknob. And let's color the living room with pink color. This is the living room.
The mouse takes the cheese. The cheese stands alone. The cheese stands alone.
Great.
The dairy-o.
Now
The cheese
let's
stands
color the
alone.
trees. This is dark green color.
The cheese stands alone.
The house is ready. If you all like the video, please like and subscribe to our channel, friends. Bye bye.